Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Evolution Shards in Clash Royale. In Clash Royale, Evolution Shards are rare resources that unlock powerful card evolutions. So knowing how to get them is key. The most common way is through Pass Royale, where the paid track often includes shards right from the start, while the free track occasionally offers them during special seasons. You can also earn shards from special events and evolution challenges which reward them at milestone wins. At times, you'll find them in shop offers, either for gems, real money, or bundled with chests and tokens. Seasonal reward chests and high tier trophy road or path of legends prizes may also include shards, though less frequently. Don't forget about limited time quests, which sometimes drop a shard or two, and the official Supercell store, where certain bundles can feature them. So keep an eye on events, challenges, and shop rotations, because every shard counts toward upgrading your deck with evolved cards. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.